Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is some new friend of mine. I have 5 little hens. Let's call chicks, yeah. Okay, it's so nice, so cute. I love this. I'm very happy to you with my friend. Oh, don't run it. How cute you are. I love you. So nice. Look under the sunshine. It's so nice. Are you sleeping? No. They are drinking water. I love the way they drink water. Look, taking the water and looking up and look, drinking. Look the way they drink the water. Oh, they have so little wings. Cute ones. I love. It's so nice. You guys, please comment that you love this type of pets. I love this type of pets. I love cats. I love these chickies. I love this pink one very much. It's so cute. Oh, don't throw the water, okay? Oh, don't do like that. Okay, bye guys. Please do subscribe. We have more videos. Bye bye.